he is our very hard-working congressman from Bataan. The Honorable Attorney Antonino Tony Boy B. Roman III.
We should all know our purpose in life, and having realized what our purpose in life is, we should live a purpose-driven life. Magpakatotoo tayo sa papel na ating ginagampanan sa lipunan. In whatever I do, and to this day, even as I speak before you, thousands of miles away from my daughters, they are my anchor. They ground me in what I do. They remind me I have to do a good job.